Hope Katulabe wa myaka 18 ali mu senior ya kusatu mu Kigalama Talents High School ebisangibwa mu Town Council y'Ekiko mu Kigalama Cell e Kabalole. Ono kyakulabirako eri banne ate nga musomesa. Ng'akyali mu primary Kasese balina ebibiina ebyenjawulo mwe baafunanga okusomesebwa.
So I chose to join Glow Club and I extracted some ideas, also ideas from good school. When I completed the 3 years in training.
Bwe yayingira senior amagezi yagenda nago era n'ayagala agagabane ne banne.
So I started the club and I started with 15 students by then, but now I have around 30 students who joined the club.
Nga basoma bafuna ennaku mwiki ze bakuŋŋaana ne mu luwummula bwe batyo ne babaako bye bayiga.
On Friday, during evening time, they do give us some time to prepare ourselves, maybe for projects. So during that time, it's when I mentor the girls and also some boys who feel like they have passion to join the club.
Bwe tumusangidde ng'ayogera eri banne ku bulabe obuli mu kufuna olubuto n'okufumbirwa nga bato.
Can you tell me some of the problems associated with early marriages?
For example, currently we've finished the media versus girls and it was extracted from the module of Glow Club. That one helps girls to identify the risky areas where not to tackle when they are using media, like if they use phones. They can maybe download pornographic videos that can spoil them and they cannot keep in school since their feelings can rise.
Takoma okwo abayigiriza n'okukola eby'emikono ng'ebikozesebwa mu nsonga z'ekikyala n'ebirala.
Some sessions encourage creativity. So when you're doing those sessions, like for example we have the menstrual hygiene, how to manage your menses as a girl. It requires us to do some ramps, the reusable menstrual pads.
Also learn new skills like the ones doing these ones and other crafts with.
Kino kiyamba abawala okubaako bye basobola okwekolera ebisobola okuvaamu n'ensimbi.
Because if I have taught you how to measure, take the dimensions and how to sew it, it can be natural in you. You also say, I can't sit and absent myself from school because I don't have the sanitary pads. So
nosaa kuiza kukola nkakana akakyo hati onko mugenda nko kutunda wakahezo okubezerwa kamuhaberi akagwera obakumala kugwera sente z'okutwala kuyamba kola ebintu bingi.
Ne Doreen Kemgisa mu kiseera kino yatudde ebigezo ebya senior ey'omukaaga ku ssomero Little High okusoma kwe maama ye yabadde omusaale.
My mom did not have enough money to pay for my school fees. When the Raising Voice of Good School program came in our school, they were like, you can still make it.
Agamba kusomera abasomesa abamu bamalamu abawala amaanyi nga babajiriza obufumbo buli kadde.
You find a teacher discouraging us, like, you are a girl child, tomorrow you will get married. What will science help you? No, those kind of things. We need the support from our teachers, we need the support from our parents and also the community, plus the government. The government should hear us out.
Kino kirine mu balenzi abatuuse n'okwepambalika ku bikola ebitatuukana na myaka gyabwe ekibaviirako okuyingirira obuvunaanyizibwa bwe batasobola.
I always tell them that being a boy or a girl, in life it is equal. We should take equal responsibilities. So if you're a father, if you're a boy, you see that you cannot handle pregnancy at the early age, better stay away.
Ensonga zino ze zimu ku zaafiirako Kemgisa okutandikawo ekibiina kye batuuma Young Voice Motivators abayizi mwe basobola okuwulirizibwa.
Our aim as the organization was to influence, empower and transform young people around our communities and beyond Uganda, to make sure that we change, we make a change in youth, that also young people, we can do it, we can make an organization.
Mu kiseera kino bakuŋŋaanira ku ssomero bwe bava ne batambula mu bitundu eby'enjawulo okwogera n'abazadde.
We normally go to schools and also in communities to teach parents. They don't know their children as such. They think that whatever they will say is what the child will go through, and they don't know that also as a girl we have a lot of challenges. And sometimes our parents are very strict. You can't tell them everything. So that in that process, our parents end up putting us on pressure, doing the things that we are not supposed to do as girls.
wabula ate basanga okusoomoozebwa olw'emyaka gyabwe.
They undermine us. We are young people. What are we saying? For us, we have not experienced their life. What are we telling them? They think our words are not important to them because we are still young.
Kati asaba bakwatibweko balabe nga batwala ekirooto kino mu maaso omwana omuwala aleme kunyoomebwa.
We need each support. The parent support is very important because the parents is the one to raise us, to nurture us. And also, if the community does not give us support, because sometimes we find girls are pregnant.
Abawala bano baagala okulaba nga bafuuka abamu ku bakyala bakulembera ensi balwanirira omwana omuwala.
Yeah, I want to lead the world because I feel that potential.
We want to change the life of that young girl or young person who is outside there.
Okusinziira ku kitongole ky'ensi yonna ekikola ku nsonga z'omwana ki UNICEF, bw'osomesa omwana omuwala oba okyusizza ebintu bingi. Olunaku lw'enkya tugenda kulaba enteekateeka ez'enjawulo okuva mu bakulembeze ze bataddewo okulaba ng'omwana omuwala asigala mu ssomero. Susan Nannyanzi, Agafeeyo ku Spark TV.